In this video, I'm going to walk you through all the key functions you need to know when using your new Model 3, from accessing your car all the way to driving it. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to use and drive your new Model 3. Let's start with Phone Key. Phone Key allows you to use your phone's Bluetooth connectivity to automatically unlock your Model 3 as you approach, power on when you're ready to drive, and lock as you walk away. To set up Phone Key, enable Bluetooth on your phone, open the Tesla app, and follow the prompts. You can also use your Apple Watch to control your vehicle. Set up Watch Key by pairing your phone with your Apple Watch and opening the Tesla app. Your phone and watch will be able to function as a key even without a cellular connection. Your car also comes with a key card that can be used to unlock and lock your car. I recommend always keeping your key card with you in case your device is unavailable, or if you need to give someone else access to your car, like a valet. To unlock using your key card, place it against the driver's side door pillar. The exterior lights will flash and the horn will sound if this setting is enabled. Open the door by pressing your thumb into the widest part of the door handle. The handle will pivot to an open position. Pull it to open. Once inside, your car will automatically power on when you press the brake pedal. If using your key card instead of your phone key or watch key, power on your car by placing the key card on the wireless phone charger and pressing the brake pedal. If you wait more than 2 minutes to power on, you will need to remove and place the key card on the wireless phone charger again to re-authenticate. To exit, press the button at the top of the interior door handle and push the door open. In the unlikely situation where your car has no power, you can open the front doors by pulling the manual door release located in front of the window switches. You can open the rear doors by sliding your finger into the slot at the bottom of the rear door pocket. Lift the cover to remove and pull the mechanical release up. Once you've exited, place the key card against the driver's side door pillar to lock. With phone key and walk-away door lock enabled, your car will automatically lock when you walk away. The exterior lights will flash, and if enabled, the horn will sound, confirming that your car is locked. With driver profiles, you can set and save driver preferences for each driver on your account through the Tesla app. There is a difference in setting driver profiles for Model 3 Premium and Model 3 Standard. For Model 3 Premium, adjust the front row seat position and lumbar support using the buttons on the side of the driver's seat. Reposition the steering wheel by selecting Controls, then Steering Wheel, and use the left scroll wheel to set it to a comfortable position. Once you're comfortable, save your driver profile. Enable Easy Entry by topping your profile, then Driver Profile settings and toggling it on. With this setting enabled, the driver's seat and steering wheel will move when entering and exiting your car. For Model 3 Standard, reposition the steering wheel by pulling the lever under the steering column and manually adjusting the steering wheel for your preference. Push the lever back to lock in the position. Adjust the first row seat position and lumbar support by selecting the Seat Controls icon, or by going to Controls and selecting Seats. Use the on-screen controls or the left scroll wheel on the steering wheel. To adjust mirrors, select Mirrors and Steering and use the left scroll wheel to adjust each side mirror. Once you're comfortable, save your driver profile. To switch between driver profiles, tap the driver profile icon, choose the driver, and your car will adjust based on the settings that have been saved to the chosen driver profile. For multiple drivers, link each driver profile to the driver's phone key and your car will automatically adjust to the driver profile as they open the door. Select Controls, Locks, and toggle the driver icon to link the desired driver profile. The name of the driver profile appears under the phone key to confirm that it's linked. If you change the position of the driver's seat or side mirrors after you've saved or chosen a driver profile, you can save the new position or restore the previously saved position using the touchscreen. Access driving controls using the touchscreen and steering wheel. Activate turn signals by pushing the indicator stalk up or down. Your turn signal will turn off automatically once your car detects that you've completed a maneuver like a turn or a lane change. Manually disengage the turn signal by pushing the indicator stalk up or down. Press this button to flash your high beams and reveal the headlight settings on the touchscreen. When your headlights are on, press and hold to fully engage auto high beams. Press once to disengage high beams. If you prefer to dim your high beams manually, tap here to disable auto high beam. Honk your horn by pressing the center of your steering wheel. Press here to wipe the windshield once and bring up the wiper settings on the touchscreen. Use the left scroll wheel to select between wiper speeds or set them to auto. Press and hold the wiper button to wash the windshield. To shift, press the brake pedal to reveal the drive mode strip on the touchscreen. Swipe up for drive, down for reverse, and top P for park. To shift into neutral, go to Controls and hold neutral. If you need to shift manually, press the P, R, N, or D buttons located on the overhead console. If these buttons are ever unavailable, press the brake pedal and press 1 to illuminate them. Turn on hazard warning flashers by pressing this button. If a severe crash is detected, hazard warning lights will turn on automatically and flash quickly to increase visibility. Pressing once returns the lights to their normal cadence, and pressing a second time turns them off. Charge your car anywhere there's electricity. The Tesla wall connector is the best option for home charging. To plug in, point the connector at your car and press the button on the handle. You can also open it from the touchscreen, Tesla app, or by pressing on the charge port door. The Tesla T illuminates in white, indicating that your car is ready to charge. Firmly plug the connector into the charge port, and the T will first turn blue to show that the car is preparing or waiting to charge, and then to a green pulse to indicate that it's charging. The mobile connector allows you to charge your car using any standard household or garage outlet. To charge using the mobile connector, attach the adapter to the outlet you'd like to use, plug into the outlet, and then into your car. Press and hold the connector button to unplug. An amber charge port means that the connector isn't latched and likely isn't plugged in all the way. Try unplugging and plugging back in more firmly. Red indicates that there's an issue with the charge source. Check your touchscreen for a message. Secure your cargo using the front and rear trunks. To open the rear trunk, press the switch under the liftgate's exterior handle. Tap the trunk button in the Tesla app or on your vehicle's touchscreen, or enable hands-free trunk to automatically open on approach with phone key. Stand still until it automatically opens. For more cargo space, fold down your second row seats by releasing this latch and folding the seat back forward. To close the trunk, press the switch located on the underside of the liftgate, or tap the close button on the touchscreen or in the Tesla app. To open the front trunk, tap the open icon on the touchscreen or in the Tesla app. To close the front trunk, set down the hood and place both hands on the front of the hood. Then press down firmly to engage the latches. That's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click here to watch the next video.